clean it up. Open. Alright. Nice. Let's close the door. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't like that. Okay. This laptop will allow you to find jobs, buy houses, and switch between them. You cannot afford to buy a house yet, but it looks like you already have your first email. Okay. No. Just use mail. Alright, let's accept. Okay. Congratulations. Okay, so now I can clean. Okay, turn light on. Oh. Yeah, let's start a fire. Or not. Seriously, not start a fire. I was just joking. So 18% done with removing trash. Okay, oops. Okay, your tablet. From now on, you have a tablet at your disposal. Okay. Can I? Oh, nice. Okay, let's clean up the dirt up. Very nice. Okay. Oh. How did that get there? Okay. So dirty. Oh, does that need to be cleaned too? No, it's just made to look dirty. Okay. Okay. Super. I want to finish cleaning. Okay. What else? Okay, now I can. Okay. Go with this one. Okay. Assemble. Ooh. Nice. Nice. Alright, so I still need to remove some trash. Okay. Let's not forget anything. Alright, cool. Yes, cleaning the garage. We need to clean the garage. Please throw away all the boxes, trash, and old tires. Please don't forget to clean the window too. It's better not to touch the tools though. My husband doesn't like it when when someone moves them and he can't find them afterward. Regards, Caroline Smith. Let's clean up a garage. Oh, dirt out. Okay. Ooh. Clickety clickety clackety clack. Oh, don't mess with the tools. Right. Yeah, let's put it there. Oh, there's another one. Nice. Okay. Oh, I need to take care of this. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh. Why can it be a bit difficult? I don't want to miss anything. Nice. Complete the job. Amaranth walls? I want my house to look a bit more arty. Can you please paint some of the walls in the living room amaranth? The remaining walls should look stunning in gray. Oh, I almost forgot. Can you please replace the broken electrical socket? Merci. Amanda Johnson. I need to repair outlet in this room, I guess. Yeah, that one. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, be sure to give it a thumbs up to let me know to create more, because there's so much more that can be done in this game.